Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we will be learning how we can fix when you encounter the error no speakers or headphones are plugged in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that, we will begin with the settings. So to go to the settings, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then please choose the settings option or just make a tap here in the Windows icon and then you will get the settings option here. So once you click on that, you will get this settings window, and here all you need to do is just to go to the left pane and then we will be clicking on the system option here. So once you click on system, you will get this kind of window. So just scroll down a little bit and then we will be looking for this about option, device specifications, rename PC and Windows specification. So simply click on that and then you will get the device specification here, the Windows specification. So we will be clicking on this advanced system settings. Once you click on advanced system settings, you will get this small window here coming up, system properties. So all you need to do is just to go to the hardware option. If you get this hardware option, please click on that and then you will see here the device installation settings. So once you click on this device installation settings, you will get another window coming up. So you will be asked on, do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps for your devices? So please click on no. Your device might not work as expected. So once you click on no, you will be configuring manually the downloads for the manufacturers of all the drivers, all the updates from the manufacturer. You will be configuring it manually. So instead of clicking on yes, please click on no and then click on save changes. And once you're done with this one, just please make a quick restart with your device and then see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then you can also proceed with the second process, which is to go to the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to this device manager options here. And then let me just expand this one. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the sound, video, and game controllers. Now once you click on that, and if you see lots of drivers here, all you need to do is just to delete or to uninstall some of the driver and make sure that you have only left the main sound driver that you have in your device. So how can you uninstall it? Simply select the driver that you have there and then click on this uninstall device button. And then please make sure that you won't uninstall the main driver that you have. So since this is my microphone, this is my audio, so please select properly the audio or sound driver that you want to uninstall. And once you're done with the uninstalling process, go to the only one driver that you have there, the main audio driver that you have there, and then please update it. To update it, just make a right click, click on update driver. And then once you click on update driver, you will get this question, how do you want to search for drivers? So if you are connected with the internet, simply click on the first option, search automatically for drivers. And when it says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then see if the problem is already fixed. See if you're not encountering the same problem. But if you're still encountering some problems and issues, then go back to this window and then we will be clicking on this browse my computer for drivers. Once you click on that, and then you will get this let me pick from a list of available drivers. So here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you have there in your device. Please make sure that you will select the latest driver there. So to do that, just click on the latest driver and then click on next, and then it will start installing the driver. And when it says that Windows has successfully updated your drivers, you can now close this window, close this as well, and then just make a quick restart with your device. See if the problem is already fixed. Once you're done with this one, you're good to go. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.